This is a really quick video just to show you on the Model 3, on the Model Y, where to find a permanent live feed, an ignition feed and a ground or an earth feed if you're installing something into one of these vehicles. So you need to go on the passenger side, take the kick trim off, take the side trim here off, end trim, pull the bottom of the dash down, which is all just on clips, up under here. So you have this airbag sticker here. As you come up here in the bottom corner, you can see we have this thin red wire. It's the bottom corner. That is an ignition feed, and that does turn on and off. And then for your live feed or 12-volt feed is a twisted red black with like an earth stranded shield wire there as well. That's your permanent live. That does not drop out, that connects straight to the 12-volt lithium ion battery. And then up under here, you see up here there's a ground strap bolting to the bottom of what looks like a big telematics unit up under here, and that's where you can get your ground from. You can ground there. This ground here runs down and actually grounds down under there under the carpet. But yeah, so bottom right corner of the left hand side kick panel for a right hand drive car, and it's probably the other way around for a left hand drive car. Thick red up here is your live. There you go, hope that helped you out.